If you want to open Game Sidebar or Game Mode on a Nothing phone for A or for a Pro, once you start playing a game, then over here, by default at least on the left side, we have this little bar, which we can slide into the middle of the phone in order to reveal it. And over here we have the Game Mode panel, where we can, for example, toggle the performance mode, and we can find some additional options in here. You can also tap on the setting icon in order to jump to the game mode settings. And that is pretty much it. Besides that, actually, if you use, let's say, 3 buttons for navigation, if you reveal those buttons, then here we can also find this gamepad icon, which allows you to open the game dashboard, where we can find a couple of additional options in here as well. Like for some games, you might be able to toggle optimization in here. And you should be able to find the same button if you use gestures for navigation as well. You can just simply slide into the middle of the phone from the bottom in order to reveal the navigation bar. And then here on the right side, by default, we have the same button. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.